Hey guys, welcome back to yovi's vlog. I know it's been I couldn't upload videos due to my exams and college work. So இப்போ நான் எதுக்கு அப்லோட் பண்ணுறேன்னா what's in my bag and this is my college bag I bought last year like 2022 and it's been with me for 1.5 years and இது எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் because it's funky, colorful and my friends used to call this bag as Dora bag because everything I have in this bag. So இதில் வந்து மொத்தம் 1 2 3 4 5 zips and inside more zips are there because எனக்கு ரொம்ப zips எல்லாம் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். So that's why I bought this bag. So first in the side I will open. I used to carry. So first sanitizer. So I got the sanitizer from Miniso, I guess. Yeah, Miniso. And then my college ID card. Like now I'm studying second year BDS, so கொஞ்சம் hectic. And I have subjects like pharmacology, microbiology, pathology, dental materials, prosthodontics, and endodontics like practicals. Then I have my earphones. This my sister got from Miniso last year. Then I have this scissor like this also from Miniso. Then have this small mini bag from Genie, like it's another backpack from. So I kept it in this bag for some useful things to use. Then I have this one tissue paper bag from me, so like only one tissue pack is there. I didn't use it. Then I have this ointment. I used to keep everything in my bag. Like this is for my mouth ulcer. Then watch, like we shouldn't wear watch for practicals, but I have it in my bag for safety things. Then I have like 4 head caps for my practicals. Then I used to carry this pocket perfume from Yarley, yeah, Country Breeze. Then have this like what they will say they put on I think it's a knee or ankle socket for my leg. Like I used to have pain in my leg, so I will carry this also. Then I'm having 2 clips for my hair. Then this I got from Kinder Joy. My friend gave me like the chocolate, so I got that. This it's cute, so I kept it in my bag. Then another 2 clips, like banana clip and this I don't know what they will call. This also have. Then I used to carry a bag, like if my bag is heavy, I will carry this like cotton, like what else, a cloth bag, yeah, cloth bag. Then handkerchief. Sometimes if I have cold or something, I used to have dirty in my hands, so I will use this hanky. And this chocolate cover, my friend gave this chocolate, so I kept it in my bag for memories. Then another zip, like I used to keep inside everything. Then this mini zip side, this is my badge. Like for exams, we used to wear this. We should wear. And I carry some 10 rupees, but செல்லாது I think so because கொஞ்சம் கிழிஞ்சிருக்கு. I used to keep my money somewhere, like அங்கங்க வச்சிருப்பேன் because for safety measures. And I have a matchbox for practicals and don't think anything wrong. Then I have two lip balms. This one from Rene, and this one is Bioline. Then another batch, like it's a name batch. Every day I used to wear it. It's without this they won't allow in the class. And then my locker key. Without this, like I can't open my locker. And another note, like 10 rupees note. I'm carrying it. இதுவும் செல்லாது. Then some coins. I think it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rupees I have coins. Then some sketch, like I kept it in my pouch, but இப்போ space இல்லாதனால I kept it in this side. For exams I will use some sketch. That's all in this side. Then second step, இதில் தான் கொஞ்சம் அதிகமாக இருக்கும் things. And this bag is my favorite bag because இதில் தான் எல்லாமே வச்சுருப்பேன் என்னோட small mini things. இதில் என்ன இருக்குன்னா, like I don't know whether you can see or not, this Fevistick, mirror from Miniso, then this also a cutter from Miniso. This one's is a, then of course face wash is important. If I'm tired I'll use this face wash in my college. Then smiley, last year they gave for the World Smiley Day, so I kept it for my memories. Then another one, this also from Miniso, nail cutter. It's cute, so I got in this color, like purple color. This bag also I got it from Miniso, like for I didn't even remove the tag, 150 bucks. Then this is one is a bud box. Like today only I got it from Amazon. I think it's for 250, so I can carry all my birds home. அது வாங்கிட்டேன். So this also I got for purple color. Then my specs box. So இது இல்லாம என்னால இருக்க முடியாது. So I have like less power only, but I wear it when I have a headache or like practical work something. This I got from John Jacobs. I don't know whether you can see this. Then my money purse. This also, in this also I carry some coins. Now I don't have mostly, and yeah, I used to carry tickets because எனக்கு பஸ் ஏற தெரியாது. And while coming to this college only I learned எப்படி பஸ் ஏறணும்ட்டு. So I used to carry the tickets also because it's aesthetic, that's why. Then I got this mini journal I'm using for 1.5 years. I used to write like my feelings. I used to, like I have so many things, like for video நான் upload பண்றேன் my journal things full. I used to write, draw for my feelings. This is one is really special to me because this my 4 friends, so including me, so I do, and like keeping it as memories. Like I have so much. This I got in MPM, Trichy MPM. Then this one is culinary set. This I got it in Miniso. I don't know how much. And they have this like this stick. You can carry it anywhere. So I got for my safety measures. And they have that spoon, fork, chopstick and knife. It's pretty cute, so that's why I got it. Then what else? Yeah, another two pocket diary, and this one is from my friends. So I used to do mini journal for her, so that's why I'm having. I couldn't do for past 5 months. Every month I used to do for her. So like she likes dino, so that's why I did it in the dino. And another one, this also mini pocket. I didn't write, my friends wrote. Like they wrote, I don't want to be yours. They wrote in 8, 12, 20, 22. So I used to have these notes also. And another one, this is mini purse. I will carry some like my cards, my photo, and it's another 5 rupees note, and other card, my debit card, which I don't use it. That's it in this purse. This I don't where I got, and this also public. And this perfume my friend gave me as souvenir. He's far, but he gave me before going, so like I'm keeping it for memories. And that smells so good. And this is a banana bag, and it's a little like funny, but I used to carry it every time, but I never used it. Like, see, I got last year. It's like only, I think I didn't even remember the tag still. It's just 63 rupees, so I didn't use it. I will use it whenever I need it. Then this one is like sticky notes. I got it last year, so I didn't use it. I still keep it as new. And this also got it from MPM stationery store. It's cute, so that's why I got it. Then another 5 rupees. I got it in my bag. Escaped. That's it in this side. So I'm saying I used to carry everything. Like I like my bag to be in like how to say proper way. Like it should not go some, like it should be organized. Then another third zip, I have some thin upon a pen and marker, like black pen. Like I'll write my notes everything black. So I used to carry more black than blue color. So and one marker from a practical. Like in idam mudichalo, we will have to write our names or roll number in that. So I used to carry these things. Then my passport size photo. I can't show. This is my instrument bag. I got it in Amazon. I don't know how much it's. So I got it in cloth material. And this I used to carry all the things here like wax cover, uh, plastic spatula, because I can't keep anywhere and I lost it easily and I will forget things. So that's why I got this bag in Amazon. Now when I link when I upload பண்றேன். Then this one like stationery kit எனக்கு பிடிச்சோன்னே பார்த்தோன்னே வாங்கிட்டேன். So like there were two colors, like one green and blue. So my sister likes blue color, so she said me she told me to get in blue color, so that's why I got in blue color. So it has like stapler, scissors, stapler pins, then sellotape, and what else it is I don't know. Paper punch. This paper punch. So I got it as a set. Then this is my medical kit. Like I used to carry all my tablets, like cold, fever, and some band-aids. And this for my friend. I got it for her. Like she have cold every time, so it's for her. And my health tablets. So without this, I can't be in daily life. So it's important in my life. This also, this bag also I got it from Miso. Then I have, this is a library card. I don't get like books in library, but I used to carry it every time. Then I have some like hairband for something. If I didn't bring any hairband, I will use this band. Then and some amount like நான் வந்து எப்படின்னா மணியை எடுத்துட்டு போக மாட்டேன். மணி எடுத்துட்டு போனாலும் ஐ வில் ஃபர்கெட் பட் நான் எங்கேயாவது வச்சிருவேன். ஸோ லைக் நவ் ஐ ஹேவ் லைக் 1030 rupees like from my saving pocket money. Then this is my IDA card they gave me last year. Like if ஏதாவது கான்ஃபரன்ஸ் இருந்துச்சுன்னா I can carry this with me. Yeah, this side that's it. And last I used to carry all my record notes and notebooks. எனக்கும் தனியாக like rough note I don't have it, so I used to carry every notes for my respective subjects. So அதுக்குள்ள அட்டை போட்டு like literally like school children we are like. So அதுதான் I'm having it. கொஞ்சம் என்ன பேக்கில் இருந்துச்சோ நான் அப்படியே எடுத்து போட்டு வந்துட்டேன். And this is my college pouch. இது இல்லாமல் என்னால் இருக்க முடியாது. So I carry most of the things in this pouch. Like I organized it. எனக்கு ஆர்கனைஸ் பண்ணியிருந்தது எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். ஸோ ஐ கெப்ட் இட் இன் ஆர்கனைஸ்ட் வே. லைக் ஐ கேரி சம் ஸ்டிக்ஸ், கலர் ஸ்டிக்ஸ், sketches, crayons, tip pencils. Like I used to carry for exams. I used to carry like 2 blue pens. Like எப்படி சொல்கிறது, I write in both time, like both pens. So அதனால I used to carry more pens in my bag, in my pouch. Friends கேட்டால் டக்குன்னு எடுத்து கொடுத்துடலாம். ஸோ that's why. And this is my water bottle. And this also I got it from Miniso. Purple color ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். So that's why I got it in purple color. Then எனக்கு எப்படின்னா என்னோட வாட்டர் பாட்டில் சைட் ஃபுல் ஆஃப் லைக் டஸ்ட்பின், trash bin. Like I will use everything, whatever I eat I kept in this trashes. And my AirPods இது எல்லாமே நான் இருக்க முடியாது. அப்பப்போ தான் சார்ஜ் போடுவேன். சார்ஜ் போட்டால் மட்டும் தான் யூஸ் பண்ண முடியும், இல்லைன்னா I will use my earphones. And another one is I carry, yeah, nothing is in this bag. That's all in my bag. So now you will know what's everything. Like I kept it in my bag and that's it. And I will see in another video. Like I'm planning to do like a series of my journal things. I will try to make it in a short like or series way. So let's meet in second video. Sorry, let's meet in next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, share and comment. And bye bye.